While watching that match, McHenry said to Jim, from here, see, he called that Jim McPherson. He said it because he's just telling his wish to Jim that rather doing war, we should play a football match and resolve our war, because by playing football there is no sadness around that. There will be no children orphaned and no wife becomes widow. मीन्स ऑर्फन मीन्स अनाथ. तो वो सिर्फ अपनी एक विश बता रहा है. किसको बता रहा है? जिम को बता रहा है कि अगर फुटबॉल मैच के थ्रू अगर अपनी वॉर रिजॉल्व हो जाए, देन देयर विल बी नो सैडनेस अराउंड अस. देन इन रिप्लाई टू मैकहेंस, जिम सेड दैट फ्रॉम हियर I prefer cricket, I told him. Then we Tommies could be sure of winning probably. We laughed at that and together we watched the game. Sad to say, Connie, Fritz won 2-1, but as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was wider than theirs, so it wasn't quite fair. So, in reply to Hans, Jim said that मैं क्रिकेट खेलना प्रेफर करूँगा एंड वी टॉमीज विल विन दैट मैच. टॉमीज अगेन रिफरिंग टू द ट्रूप ऑफ ब्रिटिश ट्रूप्स एंड वी लाफ्ड ऑन दैट. वी मीन्स बोथ हैंस एंड जिम laughed when they hear this. They both laughed on this, and Jim is explaining to Connie that it is like he is bit sad that Fritz won, like German troop won the football match, like they scored 2 goals and Britishers troops score 1 goal. But he also explained कि Hans Wolf was generous as he was, like उसने बताया कि generously मतलब बहुत अच्छे मन से उसने कहा. किसने कहा? हैंस ने जिम को कहा that our goal was wider than theirs, so it was quite not fair. Means it is not bit fair, like their goal post was wider. Means आपको जो मैंने यहाँ पे उसका एरिया दिखाया था गोल पोस्ट का, वो वाइड था कंपेयर टू ब्रिटिश गोल पोस्ट. सो just to make a happy mood, or you can say being generous to another troop, Hans stated this statement that it wasn't bit fair. Next paragraph from here. The time came, and all too soon, just a moment please, yes, again we'll start. The time came, and all too soon, when the game was finished, the schnapps and the rum and the sausages had long since run out, and we knew it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped he would see his family again soon, that the fighting would end and we could all go home. So it was he is explaining that we have stayed so long, that both the troops were playing and enjoying so late, that all the rum and their sausages were finished, and there they knew that it is time to go to our borders, and when they decided to move to their border, he said I wished Hans well and told him. Means जिम अपनी विश अब बता रहा है कि ये वॉर ख़त्म हो सके जल्द से जल्द, एंड हम सब अपनी फैमिलीज़ को मिले और वी कुड ऑल गो टू आवर होम. आई थिंक फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ फ्रॉम हियर, I think that it was every soldier's want on both sides. Hans Wolf said, "Take care, Jim McPherson. I shall never forget this moment, nor you." He saluted and walked away from me slowly, unwillingly, I felt. So, in reply, Hans Wolf also said that it is this wish, like going to home and ending this war as soon as possible. तो ये जो विश है ये दोनों साइड के सोल्जर्स की विश है, सो दैट दे कुड reunite to their families or they can go back to their home. So when Jim Hans was moving, he walked away. In the end, he saluted him, and when he was walking and when he was just moving away slowly, Jim thought that he doesn't want to. Unwillingly means against one's wish. He doesn't want to move. He is just unwillingly just moving away to their borders. Next line. He turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey coats men drifting towards their trenches. So when he walking away, he again turned and just waved. Wave mean अपने हाथ से उसको बाय कहा, किनको, जिम को, एंड जो वो होल व्यू था वो जिम एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है दैट कि अब उसको सिर्फ 100 ऑफ ग्रे कोट्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं. ड्रिफ्टिंग मीन्स मूविंग टूवर्ड्स देयर ट्रेंचेस. ट्रेंचेस अगेन मीन्स एन एरिया गिवन टू द सोल्जर्स. Next paragraph. That night, back in our dugouts, we heard them singing a carol and singing it quite beautifully. It was still a natch, silent night. Our boys gave them a rousing chorus of While Shepherd Watched. Changed carols for a while and then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. So the Jim explains to Connie that in night they both the troops went back in their dugout. Dugout is a shelter for soldiers made by digging a hole in the ground and covering it. So when the enjoy moment was finished, all the goodbyes were exchanged. Goodbye exchange means जब दोनों troops ने एक दूसरे को बाय कहा, so they went to their dugouts and then they listened a carol singing named Silent Nacht. Silent means silent night. Silent Nacht is a German word, but in English it means silent night, and silent night is a popular Christmas carol. So British army listened to what carol the German troops were singing, and in return our boys means British soldiers gave a chorus of another carol named While Shepherd Watched. Means both the troops were singing carol. Next line में लिखा है ना कि we exchanged carols means both the carols were sung and they enjoyed that also carol singing, and all went silent. कि after that carol singing, after that football match or after that enjoyment, all went silent. A complete silence in both the side of the borders. And in the last line, he is telling that Jim is telling that he will cherish this forever. Means this moment, Jim will remember this moment जब तक वो उसकी लाइफ है. forever means जब तक उसकी लाइफ है वो ये मोमेंट चेरिश करेगा. लास्ट पैराग्राफ फ्रॉम हियर. Dearest Connie, by Christmas time next year this war will be nothing but a distant and terrible memory. I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. We shall be together again soon. I am sure of it. लास्ट में लिखा है You're living. So in the last paragraph, Jim is showing loving gesture to Connie by saying that dearest Connie, and explaining lovingly that कि next time जब next year Christmas आएगा, so दिस वॉर विल बी जस्ट अ टेरेबल मेमोरी, ये वॉर ख़त्म हो जाएगी, देर विल बी नथिंग बट अ टेरेबल मेमोरी, बट I know from all that happened today how much both armies long for peace. This means कि मुझे आज के experience से he get to know that the both the side of the nation is craving for peace. Craving means जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा है long for peace means they both the side want peace, not war, just peace between both the nation. As students, you know, first world war is very destructive in the manner, and it was not so good experience to all the world, not even both the nation, but जो impact था उस वॉर का वो काफ़ी बुरा था. सो उस वॉर का इतना इम्पैक्ट गलत था. दिस इज़ बिकॉज वाई जिम इज सेइंग दैट ही कुड जस्ट विश कि ये जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए, एंड हाउ द नेशंस आर वांटिंग पीस. इन द एंड लिखा है वी, हेयर वी मीन्स वो अपने आप को बोल रहा है और कॉनी को बोल रहा है. वी मीन्स जिम एंड कॉनी. ही जिम अश्योर्स कॉनी दैट we shall be together again soon. Means he is assuring her that they will be united soon, like Jim will meet Connie soon, I'm sure of it. Like he is saying this line because he want Connie to be a bit satisfied that soon he'll be meeting to his wife. And in the end, like just we see in the letter last में आप अपना नेम लिखते हैं. so same here he writes your loving Jim. Thank you for listening. So this is all for the second part. In the next video we will be knowing what happened when the narrator witnessed this letter. Means अब थर्ड पार्ट में अपन ये देखेंगे कि अब ये उसने लेटर पढ़ लिया, किसने, नरेटर ने पढ़ा. अब इस लेटर का क्या होगा, एंड हाउ नरेटर फील्स अबाउट द होल थिंग विच ही रेड इन दिस लेटर. थैंक यू.